Hello everyone, welcome on my channel. In this video, we are going to open box and take a look to Samsung Neo QLED TV. In this video, we will talk about almost everything. I'm not going to review because I have not used this TV. We will just only open box and we do some measurement. We will check all the dimensions with the package and without the package. And we will talk about the price, weight, and all you need to know before you buy, and if it's going to be fit in your car, if it's going to be fit on your house, if you can mount to the wall and everything. So now let's start. As price wise, this TV cost me $1,799 plus tax, like $1,850 USA. At Costco, it was on sale on Black Friday. And if you talk about the model, it's a brand Samsung and model number QN85DD Neo QLED. There's a lot of brand confusing you. Before was UHD, then they came LED and QLED, now Neo QLED. I don't know anything about those things. They call maybe Quantum dot LED, but I compared this TV with other brands, OLED and LED. Maybe there's slightly different, but when I was comparing at store, this TV was look more quality and brighter and all like pixels than others. So that's why I picked up this one. It also comes with the 5-year warranty from Costco. We cannot doubt on Costco. We can trust on Costco. Now let's measure with the box. 84.5 inch wide, 48-inch tall, and 8-inch thick with the box. And this TV is weight almost 119 pounds. Let's open box and measure TV from inside and see what we get inside. At the box, it will tell you which one is the front. Just make sure front is an up when you opening box. You get the bottom foot, the other piece, more instructions, a remote, and some clips. It's really complicated to put the stand together. I just learned, so we're gonna try. As you can see, this one is the bottom, have a little rubber cushions, and I have a little clip. We're gonna just leave the plastic clip and this little lock down. If you look at here, there's already holes like a picture hanging, kind of big hole then small. So we just gonna put a screw here, then a slide up and down. It has to go like this, so the all TV weight gonna be in the center. So basically these are the holes. We're gonna match and we're gonna slide down and press that bottom clip and it will lock. That's all. Stand from this side is already put it together. Now we are going to put on TV. We're gonna remove these lugs. I think no screws, it just click in. We open this package. I have a remote inside. On top, there is a QR code, I think, to install an app. We got a power cord, 120 volts power cord, like a PC cord. We got 2 clips inside. I don't know where they're gonna go. We're gonna find out. We got remote. A remote a little fancy. I have a little display on the back and very small remote. And I have some instructions on it. Tells what it does. We will read later. And now we have to put stand on, turn power on, and measure all the dimensions. So now we will put a stand on. The way they say, I have a phone. We're gonna hold it from the back side. It is heavy. So for stand to install, there's two pins, one here, same here like nails. Same thing here. If you can see, this side is wide, we have to put it here, then we need to slide in, then we will lock. Once you lock, it will not let the TV to slide this way. Unlock, and now we're gonna install. So now we install the stand. We'll remove all the sponge. Now TV on a stand, but a little bit hard to trust on that stand because really big and heavy TV, and stand is like look like too small according to the TV. I'm gonna put it on a stand for a couple days, and after that I will be mounting on the wall. That will be the next video. Now I'm gonna remove all the trash, put it away, then we're gonna measure all the dimensions without stand and with the stand. Now let's take a look on the back side. First we're going to talk about the power cable. As we talked already, there's a standard PC cable. 120 plugs comes with the angle, easy to be put on back side. Power cords goes on the other side, if you can see. That's all we have at that side. This side we have two USB ports, one fiber optical audio, 4 HDMI, one Ethernet, one auxiliary for audio mic, and other one is for cable. The plates, two plates comes with it like plastic covers. They're gonna go over here, both end. I think they're for other kind of stand to make it more balanceable or safe, but I'm gonna use only that one right now. Then later we're gonna be mount on the wall. There's the physical some buttons at the bottom to access. I cannot see now, but there's some buttons. I think all the menu buttons are the turn on and off and stuff. Now we will power on and see how this TV look.
Welcome.
You can see how clear it is.
Simple options. How would you like to get started? Choose one. To use
When you turn on the first time, it shows some kind of startup instructions. I will follow all the instructions. Then we will go to some kind of video so we can see how the color and resolutions works, pixels. And I'm not reviewing this TV any further because I have not used. We will review this TV after a couple of months or a couple weeks after we use. We can talk about all the functionality or other things, good side and bad side. But right now, I believe that's all. We're gonna end with the final. After setup, I will show on the last how this TV look like after everything ready.